Top Everything brings you a top news story that we think you should know about. Here's the latest news on Apple's self-repair program. Pretty soon you'll be able to repair parts of your iPhone yourself, without having to go to an approved service center. In a huge shift in policy for Apple, the company is launching a self-service repair program that will allow you to repair products yourself using official Apple parts and tools. It will launch in the United States in early 2022, rolling out later that year for other countries, and will initially give users the resources needed to fix an iPhone 12 or iPhone 13. Apple says M1 Max will come after that. So what's the reason for the change? It could well be all this government pressure. The White House, the Federal Trade Commission, and multiple states have backed right-to-repair measures that could have forced Apple's hand. There was even a shareholder resolution deadline coincidentally timed for the same day. Once this program launches, any skilled person will be able to replace parts like the screen, camera, and battery on the latest iPhone models. There will reportedly be 200 parts and tools available at the start. You may want to take another look at those iFixit guides on YouTube. Thank you for watching Top Everything's latest news on Apple's self-repair program. Please like and subscribe so that you won't miss any awesome Top Everything videos.